This video shows how to do the Porsche 12-volt lithium battery module data restore. You can click Help document to check the connection diagrams. Make sure the battery module is supported. Disassemble the battery and remove the PCB board. Check the accessories we need. Install the copper pillars. Align the PCB probe position. Install the interface board and lock the copper pillars. Connect all VP-ICP adapter and the ACDP host. Open Mini ACDP app. Click Porsche. Click Porsche 12-volt lithium battery restore. Click FPC5644B. Please backup the original data if you need. I will do the data restore directly. Click Data Restore. Confirm the ACDP device is connected to the module. Click OK. Pin detection pass. If the detection failed, please check and clean the test points, then retest. Confirm the chip information. Click Continue. Ready to write the new date. Click OK. Module data restore success. Thanks for watching.